This PKINGLAKE 12 light set uses high-output light-emitting diode chips that are impressively bright and easy to spot from a long distance, which is crucial for roadside visibility. The ultra-slim housings mount cleanly on a grille or bumper and come with basic hardware, so installation on most vehicles is straightforward for anyone comfortable with simple wiring. With a wide range of flashing patterns including steady burn and alternating sequences, it is easy to tailor the light behavior to different emergency or work situations. The units are built with a sturdy aluminum alloy body and a tough clear lens that resists scratches and handles bad weather without fogging or leaking. Synchronization wiring lets multiple modules flash in unison, giving the vehicle a professional, coordinated warning effect instead of a chaotic look. Because they run on common 12-volt to 24-volt systems, these lights work well on a variety of cars, trucks, utility vehicles, and work equipment.